In our body, we have more microbes than human cells and way more bacterial genes than human genes. We could even say that we're more bacteria than human. These microorganisms or microbes carry out important functions, and we would not be able to live without them. That's why it's important to understand what the human microbiome is.
The gut microbiome is the totality of microorganisms that live on and in our body, such as bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Most of them reside in our gut or intestinal tract, and were previously known as flora, but now we know them as gut microbiome.
And you might be wondering what their function is. Among many things, gut microbes help us obtain nutrients from our food. They produce important molecules such as vitamins or amino acids. They contribute to maintaining intestinal homeostasis and can even protect us from invading pathogens. For example, since we're born, they are constantly training our immune system so it can differentiate between microbes that are innocuous or even beneficial for us from microbes that can make us sick and must be destroyed. No matter how we look at it, the human microbiome is quite fascinating.
Now we know that alterations in the gut microbiome can result and aggravate many diseases. That is why our mission in Microviable is so important, because we develop biotherapeutic products based on the gut microbiota that can enhance the health and quality of life of many patients.
Microviable, developing new biological drugs and therapies based on the gut microbiome as personalized medicine.